This is how most consultancies use AI right now. ChatGPT tab open, paste in some text, copy out the answer, open Excel, start again from scratch. Here's what it looks like when it actually works. One prompt and your financials analyzed in Excel. A presentation built from them in PowerPoint, checked again your source data and delivered to the client in one prompt. No copy paste, no switching tabs, no starting over. Forget ChatGPT. This is how consultancies are actually deploying AI in 2026. I'm V from Agentic Lab. We build AI workflows for consultancies, and I test every tool before I recommend it. Now, here's what I found this week. Last month, Anthropic Head of Americas opened an enterprise briefing with this.
2025 was meant to be the year where AI agents transformed the enterprise. But the hype turned out to be mostly premature. It wasn't a failure of effort. It was a failure of approach.
That's Anthropic about their own technology. And they were right. There are 3 specific things in this release that crossed the line from demo to deployable. Until now, every AI tool worked in isolation. You would finish in Excel, switch to a new chat, re-explain the data, and start again. Claude in Excel now analyzes your data across multiple tabs in a single session. And then, in the same workflow, you ask it to build a presentation from that analysis. Claude in PowerPoint picks up the context from Excel. It builds the deck, no export, no copy-paste, one continuous workflow. This is currently a research preview, available on all paid Claude plans. Think about your most common delivery workflow. Data comes in, an analyst works through it in Excel, and then manually rebuilds the narrative in PowerPoint by hand. Every time. That's where the hours go. That's where the errors creep in. That's where you lose the thread between the numbers and the story. With the cross-app workflow, the narrative builds the data. It's the same context, and it happens automatically. Wall Street Prep ran the benchmark earlier this year. Claude scored 5.5 out of 6 for financial analysis tasks. Copilot came at 4.4 and ChatGPT at 2.5. This is where the gap shows up in practice. Now, before you rush and replace your analyst, here's what Anthropic themselves have to say. This shows where things are heading. It's not ready to use everywhere yet. You have to check the results against your normal way of working before you stop reviewing the output manually. It works best when your spreadsheets are tidy and well organized. If your data is messy, the results will be messy too. Important to add, Claude now also supports live data connection, like a FactCell, MSCI, LSEG are available. But you will need them set them up separately through the connected directory. Here's the problem with how most firms deploy AI today. Every person sets up their own Claude, their own integrations, and their own prompts. Results vary. Knowledge stays within the individual, and when they leave, it goes with them. The private plugin marketplace changes that. A plugin bundles everything: skills, connections, /commands, instructions into one deployable package. An admin creates it once, and the whole team gets it automatically. And your organization owns the plugin file. It's portable. It's not locked to Anthropic servers. At their business presentation on 24th of February, Anthropic showed one complete workflow. You run analysis, build the PowerPoint slides, check it legally with Thomson Reuters, and that's all of it done automatically. This shows what a company-wide plugin can actually do. PwC announced they are working with Anthropic on the same day, focusing on helping finance directors to accelerate their work. This is not a coincidence. That's the signal where the enterprise deployment is heading. Most firms build on AI right now are doing it one person at a time. Plugins is how you make it structural and the company-wide. The private plugin marketplace is powerful only if someone in your firm can build and maintain the plugin. Most consultancies don't have that person yet. So you have 2 paths. You build it now, invest in the capability, get ahead of your competitors, or wait 6 months for the ecosystem to mature, for tutorials to appear, and the gap between you and early movers to widen. So where does your firm sit? 3 signals you're ready to move now. Signal number 1, your data is clean and in structured tools, such as HubSpot, Excel, SharePoint. It's not scattered across emails and drives. Signal number 2, you have someone who can own the plugin build. It doesn't have to be a developer, but it has to be someone who will be responsible for it. Signal number 3, your team already uses Claude individually and trusts the output. Adoption at the team level starts with the trust at individual level. And now 2 signals that you might need to wait before you can start adopting AI. Signal number 1, your core workflow aren't documented yet. AI can't systematize chaos. It just produces it faster. Signal number 2, leadership hasn't really bought in. You can't build firm-level infrastructure without a firm-level mandate from your business leader. So what you do next? Start with one workflow, one plugin, one team. Excel to PowerPoint is the highest value starting point for most consultancies right now. It's the workflow everyone has. It is the one that saves the most time immediately. So here we are. ChatGPT is a tool, but Cowork is the infrastructure behind the firms. The firms building on it aren't just saving time today, they are creating a compounding advantage over every competitor still copy-pasting in tabs. If you want to know where your firm sits, take the AI readiness assessment in the description. It's free, it's quick, and it gives you a clear starting point. If you found this useful, subscribe. I break down AI tools for consultancies every week. I'll see you in the next one.